Man, it feels nice playing Steel Brainrot. Look at this magic carpet. Okay, first of all, I haven't played this game. Second of all, I don't even know why this game even exists. Steal a brainrot? Sounds like stealing my brainrot because I'm brainrotted now. Like Tong Tong Sahur? Who's that? He's a long lost friend being deleted. Look at this dude. Whoa, oh my gosh. You hear that? Hear what, dummy? Oh my god. Is that? Oh my gosh. What? What? What is it, mate? Is that a strawberry elephant? Yo, is that a strawberry elephant? Oh my goodness. I need that. Strawberry elephant. This is my strawberry elephant. Bye-bye. Look at this fool. Wait, what is that? Meow! Is that freaking a meow cat? Fused with a owl? Well, I have a lot of money. Pay the window. Don't you get it? Come on, meow. You're coming with me.